Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing a prop I found on Amazon. And the cool thing is it was with a coupon and on possibly clearance, I don't even know, but it was under $7. And like, hey, gotta give it a try, gotta see what it's all about. So here we go. I already slit the bag. And oh, we got another bag. So get this thing cut open. And here it is. It's got these hooks. It's kind of like a gorilla face. It's hollow underneath, so you could stuff it or fill it with foam. And so it's not a very thick latex, but it's more durable than a lot of them. So basically, what I'm going to do is have it be inside a helmet or some kind of containment pod looking through. I like it and it was worth the money. I'll have the link below so you can either hang it or you can do what I'm going to do. Like I said, stick it in a helmet or some kind of containment unit. But the price is right and it just needs a very few modifications to make it be cool in the gang. So like, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and as always, thanks for watching. EG Scary out.